Hi, I'm Alix Paultre, and I'm here at the Things Conference in Amsterdam with Marius Nickolai. He's with m2m Germany, and well, welcome to the show. How's it going?
Yeah, thank you very much for welcoming me here. So far we had a good first day. I'm basically happy to see the community again after almost 3 years without any live events. So it's great to be here.
So that means you've been here before. So this is your second event, third event?
Actually, for me personally, it's the second event. Yeah, been here just right before Corona started in the beginning of 2020. Yeah.
But then that also means you've had a little bit of an opportunity to see the growth of the industry and how it's developed in that time.
Indeed, yeah, you can really see here how many more exhibitors we have right now and how the community is growing. So many great products. So yeah, it's very interesting to see.
I agree with you completely. Now, when you think about it, we've been hearing people talk about different aspects. Internet of Things in industry, Internet of Things in enterprise, Internet of Things in hospitals. And I understand you're involved in m2m. Internet of Things in m2m.
Yeah. So I mean, obviously, m2m Germany. That was the great marketing buzzword when we founded the company in 2007. So today we would have to call ourselves IoT Germany, maybe. But it doesn't make sense to change the name every 10 years.
But m2m could be anything. It could be wired, it could be wireless, it could be resonant magnetism. I mean, there are a lot of ways to talk between devices.
Yeah, that's true. So I mean, for us, m2m basically means industrial connectivity, and we just work with wireless technologies. So that is our focus in there. Yeah. We don't care too much about the wordings in the end. So it's all about wireless technologies connecting things in the industry.
Well, then, from your point of view, what are the advantages of using LoRa, say, over some of the other solutions?
Well, I would say, I mean, in the end, it always depends on the application. But LoRaWAN is a great technology for many things, especially compared to the mobile radio networks. You can build your own network if you have some industrial area to cover. It's very easy. It's convenient. You can do it by yourself, and therefore it's a great technology for many applications where you have to collect some sensor data. Also for retrofitting, no matter if it's industrial applications or even inside buildings, building management, there are some great new products also into that direction. So yeah, many good applications for LoRaWAN.
Now, when you think about the development and the deployment, and especially since you're talking direct machine to machine here, because you're pretty much, the way it sounds, you're agnostic to the application space. Are there application spaces that you're finding issues with, or are there application spaces that are just gangbusters for LoRa?
Well, I would say now we see huge opportunities in everything that is related to energy and energy efficiency, obviously. So
monitoring and all.
Yeah, absolutely. Due to the current situation, at least we reached a pain point where people need to act now. So we've been talking about energy efficiency for like 15 years or something, but there was not enough pain to start something, which now just happened. But on the other side, it's still not the easiest projects or deployments in LoRaWAN, because it's a huge market with many different kinds of sensors, and so it always starts with somebody wanting to monitor its energy and deploy LoRaWAN to many different meters, and then in the end it comes down to you have to figure out what kind of meters are installed there already. The retrofitting is quite hard in terms of the energy metering, and we hope that this will be a bit smoother in the future, because it just has to make these projects run well. So
is the upgrading a matter of new hardware or new software, or I mean, it's wireless, so you're not rewiring anything. Where are the pain points for that aspect?
Yeah, the pain points are that you cannot just go there and you have like 1,000 meters and you just put the same device to any of that, because usually right now in the industry there like, I don't know, hundreds or thousands of different types of meters installed, and you have to check back what kind of meter is it, which kind of LoRaWAN device fits to it, how can you connect. So it's a lot of project management upfront before you can really start the project. So sometimes people come to us asking for a solution like that and are surprised that there is some time to invest to find out what is the current status, what kind of devices are installed right now in the field, and how they can be retrofitted with LoRaWAN.
Now, when you have that, is it normally that your customer comes in and says, I want to upgrade, or they come to you and they say, I have a problem and I need you to fix my problem?
Well, from our perspective, it really depends. As you said, we are quite application agnostic, and so our customers are quite diverse in that in that demand. So some have a really good idea of what they want to do, and they need us to just do it technical wise. And of course, there are other ones that they know they have some problem, but they really don't know the way yet. So. It really depends on the projects. Yeah.
So now, where do you see the future going with M2M, your organization, and how the ecosystem is filling out?
Well, from our side, we will continue to be more or less application agnostic, helping our customers in any market to make use of the technology, to efficiently use the technology in their applications. Which means we always looking for new solutions and trying to offer a broad portfolio of different kind of things. And I think in general, as I said, many things are already really easy to deploy. Like I think the most sold sensors for LoRaWAN right now are things like temperature, humidity. So things like cold chain monitoring are really these low-hanging fruits, I would say. And other things have to become a bit easier, which I think it will for metering, for example, it will be automatically when meters have to be changed after a time, and then smart meters will be installed. And like with partners like Elvaco, for example, they retrofit the meters with LoRaWAN and partner with the meter manufacturers, so they can be deployed with LoRaWAN already from the factory. This will make things much easier in the future.
I agree with you completely. Did you have anything else you wanted to share with our audience before I let you go with this busy show? I see it's starting to they're waiting for the beer now. You're my last interview.
Yeah, indeed. So I don't know what else to add at that point. So
then just simply say, hey, look into it, contact you if they want some information, right? How do they contact you?
Absolutely. So of course, we can be contacted any way you like, basically by mail, by phone. I'm always happy to speak to new people and exchanging some thoughts and ideas about IoT. So, yeah.
Excellent. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking the time, Marius, today to talk to us. And I want you all to make sure to come by and check us out tomorrow. This is our last interview today, but we'll be starting again with a whole new raft of really cool and interesting people.
Thank you.